why I love my daddy. I see a big daddy bear and a baby bear.
No, that's a brother bear.
Oh, it's a brother bear? Okay. I love my daddy because he is big and strong.
And there is a little newt.
There is a little newt. He's looking out across the land. I wonder what he sees. I love my daddy because he is clever. Clever means he is smart. Look at the big moon. It must be nighttime. I love my daddy because he keeps me safe and cozy. Brr, I bet it's cold. Do you see all the snow? And it's blowing in the wind. He's being kept nice and warm. I love my daddy because he plays with me. They are having fun.
A brother one, daddy one.
Yeah, they're a big daddy hippo and a little brother hippo. And they're splashing in the water.
And then the daddy hippo is holding his belly.
He is holding his belly. You're right. I love my daddy because he carries me. Look.
One, two.
The big daddy monkey and the baby brother monkey. And they're swinging on the branches. Hold on tight. I love my daddy because he is handsome. That means good looking. Look at the black stripes.
And then the brother.
Yeah. Oh, and the pretty coral reef.
It's the bubble.
It does look like bubbles. And more fish.
And then bits of sweet.
Yeah, that's another type of sea. I don't know if that's a sea anemone or another type of plant for the ocean, it looks like. I love my daddy because he is funny. That's silly.
He's laughing him with his head.
He is splashing him on the head with water. You're right. They're silly.
Hey, Daddy, brother.
Daddy and brother bear. I love my daddy because he hugs me good night. Sleep tight. I love my daddy because he fixes things. Ooh, they have big teeth.
And then the brother spooping in and teeth.
Uh-huh.
There's spooping
Yeah. I love my daddy because he tickles me. Oh, those silly dogs. Oh, do you want tickled? Those silly puppy dogs. And look at their big ears.
And he got big ears.
They both have big ears. You're right. I love my daddy because he is kind. That means nice.
And they have big ears too.
They do kind of have big ears and long necks. He's helping the little giraffe get leaves to eat, isn't he? He's pushing down the branch. I love my daddy because he has the best ideas. They're shaking the tree to get some acorns. They're falling down, down. I love my daddy because he is my best friend. Ooh, they're sitting on cold ice.
Yeah.
Everyone loves their daddy, especially me. Look at the pretty sky.
Monkeys, elephants, lions, bears, penguins, scorpions,
Not scorpions, those were the beavers.
beaver,
See the flat tail? That's a beaver.
beaver,
Hippo.
those are not hippos.
Well, I saw you point down here. These are the hippos. Those are the puppy dogs.
Puppies, dogs, bear, giraffe, bull.
What's that right there?
And owls.
And there's the angelfish. Yep.
And then owls. Close this.
The end.
Look at those hippos.
They're in a heart because they love each other. Love.